How to edit orders/refund payments. 1. Click on Order, then Orders. 2. Click Search in the top right to see all orders. 3. Find the transaction to edit or refund, and click the View button on the right. 4. Click Apply for After Sales at the top right. 5. Click the blue link under Order Time. 6. Scroll down and click View Details, then continue scrolling to After Sales Results. 7. Here select which products you wish to refund. Note the refund amount increasing as you change the quantity. 8. When done editing, scroll back to the top and select Approve and Submit, then click Confirm.